In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a logo on Google Sites. If you're looking to personalize your Google site with your brand's identity, or simply spruce up its appearance, adding a logo can make a significant difference. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can do it easily and efficiently. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Google Sites account. Make sure you're on the site where you want to add your logo. Once you're on the correct site, what you need to do is find the settings icon. This icon is usually represented by a small gear symbol, typically located in the upper right corner of your Google Sites dashboard. When you spot it, give it a click. This step opens up the various options that you can tweak to customize your site and is a gateway to personalizing your site further. After you've clicked on the settings icon, the next thing you want to do is go to the brand images section. The brand images option is where the magic happens in terms of visual branding for your site. By selecting this, you are opening up the possibility to manage your site's visual assets, including the logo. It's an essential step because this section is dedicated to images that will represent your brand's identity on your site. Now you should see an option for logo within the brand images section. This is where you get to showcase your brand. Click on the upload button, which allows you to choose the logo file from your computer. When selecting your logo, ensure that it's the right size and format for your site. Often a PNG or JPEG works best. Once you've chosen your file, upload it to your Google site. This step integrates your logo directly onto the page, giving your site a professional and personalized touch. And there you have it, that's how you insert a logo onto your Google Sites. This process is not just about making your site visually appealing, it's about making sure your visitors recognize and trust your brand from the first glance. Remember, a well-placed and well-sized logo is crucial for maintaining brand consistency and establishing trust with your audience. If at any point you want to change the logo, simply repeat these steps and you'll be able to update it effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're running a personal blog, a business page or a portfolio site, having your unique logo displayed prominently can enhance the overall impact of your Google site. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your Google Sites experience.